All right, hi guys. This is Miss Thorn. A lot of you had questions on how to use the animation to answer the gas lab questions. Um, if you open the worksheet, the link to the actual animation is right there for you. What you do need to pay attention to is this set of instructions. The the animation itself is not going to play for you until you set up the variables like it says. So on the left side, when you open up animation, you're going to see a box of all the variables listed on the left. And in order to do this simulation, you need to freeze two variables at a time in order to investigate the other two. So the first simulation you're going to do, you're going to freeze mass and then temperature, and then investigate how changing the volume affects pressure. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the link. This is the box I'm talking about. So it says, welcome to the gas lab. Freeze one variable. You're going to freeze mass. Click on it and it says mass frozen. Click temperature. And then a new set of prompts comes up. You're going to click on the first one, effect of changing volume on pressure. And there you go. The animation will start. This gauge over here tells you pressure. The unit for pressure, if you go back to your notes, standard unit is kilopascals. Over here, you can see that temperature is constant. We're not changing anything. And your standard unit for temperature is going to be in Kelvin, degrees Kelvin. The piston here is changing the volume. So we're going from around 4 to 2. So we're having the volume that our gas molecules are in. All these little dots represent individual molecules. If I were to add more molecules, I would do so by this little thingy on the side here, this little device, another piston, to push more gas into the chamber, but remember, we're keeping mass constant for this little simulation. Over here on the right, you see a graph of the data output where we are controlling the change in volume, so that's your x-axis, and we're measuring how that affects the pressure of the gas within this chamber in the yellow. Okay, hope that helps. Email me if you have any questions. I'll always be here. And keep up the good work, guys. You're doing a great job. Bye.